Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Ramzan Mubarak.
Walaikum assalam. Same to all of you, beta. May Allah bless all of you. अल्लाह आप लोगों की नमाजों को, इबादत को सबको कबूल फरमाए. आपके पास तरावी कब से है भाई? Going out for namaz?
8:30 से है. 8:30 से.
So today I will dictate annotations, and I'll also show you how to do an annotation.
Okay, ma'am.
See, what is an annotation basically? An annotation is actually one small line that is picked up from your lesson or poem. Okay. So it's just like, it is like this. For example, if I just cut a small piece from here like this, and then I cut a small piece from here, and I cut a small piece from here, and I give you these 3 picture puzzles, and I ask you, okay, come on, try to fix these pieces into their proper pictures. आप क्या करते? You will check for some clues, and the most important and the strongest clue here in this case is the color theme. So what you will do, you will see that, okay, this is orange color, this is also background, so this piece belongs to this picture. Now this piece is blue in color, which matches with the background of this, so this piece should fix here. And this one is white, and it matches with this white background, so this piece should fit here. ऐसा ही आपके annotations होते हैं. Annotations, this is one lesson, this is another. Annotations में क्या होता है? This is one lesson, this is one lesson, and this is the third lesson. And from somewhere this piece has been picked up. तो अब आपको दिखाना है कि ये what is the to which prose piece, that is to which picture, let us say. अब आपका हर prose piece एक picture है, समझ लीजिए. My mother is one picture, Aim for the Stars is a second picture. तो depending on some clue, आपको ये pieces को उनके picture के साथ जोड़ना है. Are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
That is an annotation actually. One second. पापा से कुछ दवाइयाँ ला लिए क्या? नहीं तो फिर आप ला दो. इसमें से last और जिनको भी विटामिन सी है दूसरे वाला. So an annotation is also like that only. It's just one line picked up from somewhere, and you have to match that line to the lesson or the poem to which it belongs, and you have some clues for doing that. Okay, how do you attempt an annotation? So how will you start? You will write main question number 1. See, in your paper, we have already discussed the model paper. Maybe you will be given 4 annotations from prose, out of which you have to answer any 2 out of 4. So the choice is 50-50%. ये again present model में two out of 4 you have to answer. Similarly, 2 out of 4 annotations from poetry. That means 4 will be given. You have to answer any 2. There are no annotations from non-detailed text. उसके बाद you have to answer any 2 out of 4 questions from prose. Any 2 out of 4 questions from poetry. Namaste. Okay, so how will you start? Question number 1, annotations. Basically, mostly question number 1 is annotations from prose. Bit number 1. अगर आप first annotation choose कर रहे हैं, it can be 2, 3, 4 or 5, whatever it is. I'm just giving you this one as an example. So if this is first annotation, so write number 1 and just write the first few words dot 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 last word to help your examiner know that you are attempting this annotation out of the given 4. समझ गए? हर लेसन में से एक ही एनोटेशन पूछता है. एक बार एक पूछ लिया तो उसी लेसन में से दूसरा नहीं पूछता. फिर भी you should make it very clear for the examiner. Okay, this is the annotation we are answering. Now the first side heading, you can, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this.
Ma'am, screen is very clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
I can see my screen so clearly. Anyway, I'll post a picture of this if you want. First side heading that you have to write is the context part. That means here you are doing the job of identifying that line and tracing its origin and all. So इसमें context में there are 5 points you cover: title of the prose or poetry, the writer and the poet, the source of that prose or poetry, then the outline summary of the prose or the poem. Outline summary से मतलब इतनी लंबी summary नहीं होना वो, it should be in 1 line. Sum up the whole thing in 1 line or 2 lines max. Then 5th one, ये सबसे important point होता है. This is the most important point which fetches you full 4 marks for an annotation. The thematic context in which the given lines occur. This is exactly what I meant when I said the thematic context. You see, the thematic context of this line matches with this prose. The thematic context of this line matches with this prose. That is why you have fitted this piece here and you have fitted this piece here. If you fit that piece here, it will look like a patch. It will not gel. So that is the meaning of the thematic context. What is the connection between this line? ये line जो है इसका connection आपके हिसाब से वो जिस prose piece की भी आपके हिसाब से है वो. For example, if this line belongs to my mother, you have to show what is the connection between the theme of this line and the theme of that essay, my mother, in general. समझ गए? Now, next thing that you have to do is the textual meaning part. This is a second side heading. Side headings are very important. Side headings are very important. तो second side heading होती है textual meaning. Numbers देना जरूरी नहीं है. Now you are in this, you are explaining the given lines. इसको आपके material में it is referred to as explain.
Ma'am, screen is not clear, ma'am. It's very.
Can you take this photo and send?
I'll take this photo and send, no problem. But see, when I am able to see the screen very clearly, crystal clear है मेरा
Title also.
No, ma'am. Network is
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा
bad
मैम.
at your side.
If you don't
Okay, I'll do one thing.
Ma'am, are you connected to data as well as Wi-Fi?
अभी क्लियर है नहीं, अभी भी ब्लर है?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear now.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
So this textual meaning is the second side heading. This is also called as explanation. In your materials, it is referred to as explanation. Here you are explaining the given line. That means you are again rewriting the given line in your own words, slightly elaborating it. So this should be 4 or 5 lines. Then finally, general relevance. Now, general relevance. Relevance means, we all know relevance का meaning क्या होता है? How is this lesson or the essay, and how is this related to our everyday life? Relevance उसको बोलते हैं कि भाई इसका क्या ताल्लुक है हमारी अपनी लाइफ से. For example, every lesson and every poem that we studied had some moral teaching in it, है ना? My mother was Abdul Kalam's description of his mother, because Abdul Kalam felt that his mother was very, very important. She was the most influential person in his life. So are our mothers, aren't they? Even your mother is equally important. To me, my mother is equally important. So every mother is important to her child. So this is the general relevance. So what do you learn from Kalam's description? Okay, you should learn to value, or you should know how to value your mother's feelings, etc., etc., because there are so many things that a mother shares with her children. There are so many unsaid bonds. Okay, so this is the moral lesson. In general, you should talk about the general. Yes. You can give me a message. I'm not able to hear you. I can't.
annotations पढ़ लेना ने आप कुछ important देते हैं.
मैं बताती हूँ उसको. मैं I will try to show you कि important कैसे लेना चाहिए इसमें से. It's very simple. So did you understand now? ये general relevance part में you can use your, you can use some proverbs, idioms, phrases, something good. I will guide you how to make a general relevance. You can always build up on that and add up whatever points you feel like. Okay? And try to make it very impressive. Now, as I told you, okay, in every, there are, now in your portion, there are 4 prose pieces, 4 poems. Every lesson has 4 annotations, 4 into 4. तो अब क्या होता है? Lesson 1, for example, lesson 1, annotation number 1, 2, 3, and 4. There will be 4 lines. All these are given in your textbooks. Only those will be asked, not random annotations. Those annotations that are given at the end of the lesson in your textbook will be asked. So, इनमें क्या होता है? In all these 4 annotations, the context is the same, isn't it? Title will be the same, writer will be the same, source will be the same, outline summary will be the same. Till here, it will be the same. So once you prepare these 4 pieces of information about a particular lesson or a poem, आपके चारों annotations का preparation हो गया. Now going to textual meaning part. Textual meaning part is only elaborating this line. Such was the concept of Indian hospitality once upon a time. So you have to just say, okay, why does Kalam say this? What was the context? In which context did he make this remark? In what context did he make this remark? You just have to talk about that. So that is very simple. All of us can do it. Then lastly, general relevance part hai. More or less it is the same for all annotations. You can always make up your own general relevance part. So इसीलिए annotations में you can say कि one annotation from every prose is important. It can be any one, first, second, third, or fourth. Because if you prepare for one, you are prepared for all the annotations. Only this 5th point will keep changing. So when I am dictating the notes, I will give you a complete context for the first annotation, From second onwards, I will say same as one. Same as one bole to from here to here, it will be the same. Only the fifth point will change. Explanation, I will not dictate because it will take a lot of time. I will take pictures from the old material and paste it there. The explanation is nicely given. You can read from there directly. General relevance part, again, I will give you. Understood?
Ma'am.
Did you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, मैम
Yes.
मैम हर एक लेसन के एनोटेशंस और आंसर्स पढ़ लेना आप
पढ़ लेना, बिल्कुल पढ़ लेना. बस
नहीं,
इतना
आप
पढ़ लो.
देते
अब अच्छा, see, in a way, your annotations will help you to write your answers also. क्यों? कि ये जो चार informations है ना, the title, the writer, the source, the outline summary. This has to be used even in your answers. So this will form the introduction to your answer also. Context जो आप एक बार prepare कर लोगे एक particular lesson के लिए. For example, my mother का आपने context prepare किया. So this is going to help you not only in all the 4 annotations, but also in all the 4 answers. Okay. Now, this is how you are going to write. Now, such was the concept ... once upon a time. Now, this line is taken. Now, take down, start taking down. If you write, you will remember. Don't ask me to give you a Xerox copy. I normally don't give Xerox copies of my notes. You write down. तो आपको याद रहता है. Because you are not writing it for all annotations, only for one. First annotation, such was the concept. Context. This line is taken from the narrative essay. अब ये आप ये 5 points cover कर रहे हैं, but not point by point like this, numbering like this, but in the form of a paragraph. Now, in order to assist you in writing, I am keeping this paper in front of you. See, these are all the notes that I prepared myself, so they are all on loose papers, you see.
मैम नोट भेज देना ग्रुप में
No, I will not paste it in the group. I never do that. If you won't take it, otherwise don't take it. This line is taken from the narrative essay because इसमें typing errors बहुत आ गए हैं. I'm not a professional typist, so some commas, spelling errors have creeped in, punctuational errors, and typographical errors have creeped in. So that's why I don't give you a Xerox. You will make the same mistakes in your final. This line is taken from the narrative essay, My Mother, in inverted commas, in capital letters. Please observe. So write down. This line is taken from the narrative essay, My Mother, APJ Abdul Kalam. Hafsa?
मैम यू आर ऑन म्यूट मैम
Written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam, comma, the missile man in inverted comma. See, all these mistakes are there. That's why I'm not giving you Xerox copy. Otherwise, who will correct all this? The missile man and
send it photos in group ma'am it will be helpful for us
no, sorry.
Ma'am, the screen is rotated, ma'am.
Screen is rotated. Achha, you're listening to me now? The missile man and
Yes, sir.
the Missile Man and former President of India.
Delben and former president of India.
Ma'am, you are muted, ma'am.
Okay. So this line is taken from the narrative essay My Mother, written by APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man and former President of India. Sorry, APJ Abdul Kalam, full stop. Kalam, the Missile Man and former President of India, is a greatly admired personality. It should be like this. This line is taken from the narrative essay My Mother, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Full stop here. Kalam, comma, the Missile Man and former President of India. It should be a comma here, not a full stop. Is a greatly admired personality. Full stop. The essay is an extract from his autobiography, My Journey. From his autobiography, My Journey. Full stop. Capital M for my.
मैम दी ऐसे से बोलिए ना.
The essay is an extract from his
Autobiography, The Journey.
My Journey.
My journey.
Just a minute. I want to raise the height of the screen a little bit so that you can see more part of the text. The essay is an extract from his autobiography, My Journey. The essay is a great tribute. The essay is a great tribute to his mother, Ashiamma. The essay is a great tribute to his mother, Ashiamma, full stop. In the essay, Kalam narrates incidents from his childhood. Kalam narrates incidents from his childhood. In the essay, Kalam narrates incidents from his childhood and describes the close bond he shared with his mother. Describes the close bond he shared with his mother, who was who was simple, who was a simple, unassuming lady, who was a simple, unassuming lady who devoted her life to the family. Till here, your first, this is going to be the same. From here to here, it's going to be the same for all the annotations. Now, your point number 5, this point number 5, the thematic context. This will be the last line. The given line, उसको ऐसे लिखा जाता है. The given line not only reflects his mother's greatness, but also the Indian concept of hospitality, and our culture. Are you all writing down?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Textual meaning, I will put the picture in your this thing.
Ma'am, ये line, the given line not only reflect his mother, वो same रहती sir, ma'am सबको ये lesson से
ये वाली लाइन सेम नहीं रहती, यहाँ से इट विल चेंज. सी ये जो मैं स्पाइरल लाइन से अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ ना, ओनली दिस पार्ट विल कीप चेंजिंग फॉर ऑल एनोटेशंस.
उससे ऊपर का पूरा सेम रहता ना मैम.
यहाँ से पूरा सेम रहता, यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरा सेम रहता हर एनोटेशन को. इवन ये इंफॉर्मेशन आप आंसर के लिए भी यूज कर सकते, थोड़ा उसको मैं पैटर्न चेंज करके. लाइक अब आप you should not write this line is taken from. You can straight away start in the narrative essay My Mother, written by APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man and former president of India. ऐसा, ठीक है. Now, textual meaning, don't write. I will post the picture in your group. Now, the general relevance. Honoring guest was an accepted Indian custom. Honoring guest was an accepted Indian custom and tradition in the past. Honoring guest was an accepted.
आप textual meaning group में भेज देते ना मैम.
Textual meaning I will send in the group.
जज़ाकल्लाह मैम.
Honoring guest was
जनरल रेलेवेंस भी चेंज होता मैम.
जनरल रेलेवेंस मोर और लेस सेम रहता, थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंज हो सकता. Okay. First you write, then I'll tell you how to do it. Honoring guest was an accepted Indian custom and tradition in the past. They were always welcomed. But now, things seem to have changed. We have
Ma'am,
compromised.
after in the past.
Honoring guest was an accepted Indian custom and tradition in the past.
Upside down.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is turned upside down. No, it's right.
Honoring guest was an accepted Indian culture and tradition in the past. They were always welcomed. But now things seem to have changed. But now things seem to have changed. We have compromised on our values and traditions. But it is said,
But it is said, don't limit it.
in inverted commas, don't neglect your hospitality.
Ma'am, after but
After? But it is said,
can you show previous line again?
see, we have compromised on our values and traditions, comma, but it is said, inverted commas, don't neglect your hospitality to strangers. For by doing that, some have entertained angels without knowing it. Some have entertained angels without knowing it. Children, there is some very urgent call that I have to attend to. Inshallah, shall we continue tomorrow?
Okay, ma'am, please share this page.
See, this page has lot of mistakes.
Okay,
So-
ma'am, don't write.
Ma'am, please send notes. It will be very helpful.
See, I will share the textual meaning part of all the annotations. A textual meaning part I will share. Context तो आप लिख चुके, तो इस हर every in second annotation you see, I'll show you here only. Second annotation same as one. Only this last line we have to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So I'll see if I can share the remaining page. I'll set, if I can correct it on my system, I'll share it. Okay, but I'll see.
Okay.
So see you all tomorrow also 7 o'clock, same time. अभी नमाज का टाइम हो रहा है, आप लोग भी निकलो, मुझे भी जरा एक बहुत अर्जेंट काम है. Okay? See you all tomorrow, inshallah. Same time, same ID. Okay?
7 o'clock only, ma'am.
7 o'clock only tomorrow, one day. उसके बाद
Then tomorrow.
Thursday we have our regular time ना 11:30 class, उसमें कर लेंगे.
Ma'am, timing 11:30 only.
कल tomorrow 7 o'clock. Then Thursday we have our regular class at 11:30 ना.
कल मैम स्टार का टाइम कितना होता है?
अरे 11:30.
Yes,
कल
ma'am.
7
Morning 11:30. Yes, ma'am.
Thursday से morning 11:30 रहता है ना. We'll go back to that time. Okay? Right.